fall back. So can you come pick up your clothes? I have them folded. Meet me at the door while it's still open. I know it's getting cold out, but it's not closing. So come pick up your clothes. I have them folded. I'll let your body decide if this is good enough for you. Already folding it for you. Already folding it for you. I'll let your body decide if this is good enough for you. Already folding it.
He wears it all the time. He gets 2 to 3 days of battery life from it, and it's very functional for him. And it is noise cancelling, just like it says. It is functional. It wears very easily and comfortably for him, and I would recommend this product.